Hello dear students, hello dear learners. So today we starting the second roundup book, roundup 2. So our first unit is about the personal pronouns, form be, have got, has got, and can. So let's take a look. In singular we know that in subject pronouns we have I, you, he, she, it in singular, and in plural we have we, you, they. And as objects we have me, you, him, her, it in singular, and in plural we have us, you, them. So let's let's say just about the plurals or pronouns. So the first one is two, he, three, she, 4, they, 5, they, 6, he, 7, it, 8, them. So the second exercise. Mike is 10 years old, he is 10 years old, Tim and I are friends, we are friends. Yelena is a teacher, she is a teacher. The house is old, it is old. Cara and Pedro are from Spain, they are from Spain. The boys are in the kitchen, they are in the kitchen. So the third one, read and underline the correct word. You are hungry, here is a cake for you. There are nice flowers, let's draw them. I am funny, look at me. Mark is a good singer, listen to him. The tigers are scary, look at them. You and Lisa are dirty, look at you. It's a ball, catch it. Emma is pretty, look at her. So, second is about the form of verb to be. You know from the previous lessons about this verb. I am, you are, he, she, it is, and we, you are, they, we use are. In short form you can see also, and in negative we add not. I am not, aren't, isn't. So complete the sentence. She is at home, we are happy, I am hungry. He is not at home, I am not thirsty, and is not a doctor. She is not in the room, they are not English. So in a short form, they are in the garden, she's at home, we're happy, I'm hungry, he isn't at home, I'm not thirsty, and isn't a doctor, she isn't in the room, they aren't English. So, personal pronouns, interrogative form, when we ask questions, and the short answers. Am I, we need form to be in the beginning of the sentence to make interrogative. And the short answers, for example, yes I am, no I am not, like this. So let's take a look. Are you from England? They aren't sisters. He is a student. Are they in the garden? It's a question. She isn't in my class. Okay. Write am or is or are. Hello, I am Nick. This is Peter. We are friends. Peter is 9. I am 10. Peter and I are from London. We are students at Park School. So the next one, we need to complete the questions, read them again, and answer. Are Nick and Peter brothers? No, they aren't. Also remember this reading. Is Peter 9? Yes, he is 9. Is Nick 9 too? No, he is not. He is 10. Are Peter and Nick from London? Yes, they are. Are Peter and Nick singers? No, they are students. So let's read the questions. Ask and answer. Is it a flower? Yes, it is. Are they dogs? No, they aren't. Is this a kid? No, it isn't. Is he a clown? Yes, he is. Is she a teacher? No, she isn't. Are they birds? Yes, they are. So, and this is a game you can play it with your friends. And our next is about the have got and has got. So we use have got with I, you, we, you, they. And we use has with he, she, it. It's a full form, I mean long form. In short form, we just use VE. And as has, we use just S. In long form, in negative, we use have not got. Has not got, have not got. In short form, we use haven't, hasn't got. In interrogative, we just place have in the beginning of the sentence. Okay, let's take a look. Put the words in the correct order to make sentences as in example. I have got 3 has. We've got a big house. She's got a pink coat. He's got an old watch. I've got a new toothbrush. Have you got a computer? He hasn't got 3 brothers. We haven't got a new teacher. We haven't got a car. She has got a red dress. So in short answers we use just have you got a car? Yes, I have. Or no, I haven't. So let's take a look. Has it got small ears? No, it hasn't. Have they got long tails? Yes, they are. Is he got a big feet? Yes, he is. Has she got short hair? No. Yes, she has. Has he got a small nose? Or it? It will be better to use it. Has it got a small nose? No, it isn't. So, let's take a look. Complete the email with am, is, are, have got, or has got. Hi, how are you? How's your new school? I am in year 6 at school now. I have got a new teacher, Mr. Fins. He is 38 years old and he is quite tall. He has got fair hair and glasses. Sam has got a new computer and Roy has got a new bike. It is really cool. Guess what? I have got a pet dog, Sparks. Have you got any new friends in Moscow? Write and tell me. Love, Emmy. So, complete the questions again. Has Emmy got a new teacher? About Emmy, yes, she has got a new teacher. Has Mr. Fins got a dark hair? No, he's got fair hair. No, he hasn't got. Let's write like that. Has Sam got a new computer? Yes, he has. Have Sam and Roy got a new bike? No, they haven't. Has Amy got a pet dog? Yes, she's got. Yes, she's got. Okay. So, and the last is about the verb can. And in affirmative, we use just can itself for every person. In negative, we use cannot. And in short form, it's just can't. And interrogative, we again place it in the beginning of the sentence. So, let's take a look. Ian can ride a horse. Ian, where is it? Can ride a horse. Fatima can ride a horse. Mary can swim. Ahmed can't swim. Sue can fly kite. Yuan can't fly the kite. Jim can climb the tree. Yes. Carmen can't climb the tree. Okay, let's take a look at it. Put the words in the correct order to make the sentence as in example. I can ride a bike. Tina can swim really well. They can play football. My brother can drive a car. Can you clap your hands? I can't ride a horse. So, let's answer the questions. Can you stamp your feet? Yes, I can. Can you make a sandwich? Yes, I can. Can your grandfather climb a tree? No, he can't. Can you jump over the tall trees? No, I can't. Can you stand on one leg? Yes, I can. Can you walk like a monkey? Yes, I can. Can your grandma make a banana cake? Yes, she can. So let's listen to it.
Listen and repeat, then act out.
Can I watch TV?
No, you can't. It's time for bed.
So in this grammar we learn about the can I, and we can use can I to ask a permission when we want to do something. So it's like, can I go to the cinema? No, you can't. Can I use your computer? No, you can't. Can I have some more pie? Yes, you can. Can I buy some comics? Yes, you can. So, and the last one, can I watch TV? No, you can't. It's very late. Can I go to the park? Okay, can I go to the park? No, you can't. It's very cold outside. Can I make biscuits? Can I make biscuits? Yes, you can. The eggs are in the fridge. Can I buy some more sweets? No, you can't. They are bad for your teeth. Can I go swimming? Yes, you can. Your towel is in your wardrobe. Can I eat your sandwich? Yes, you can. I am not hungry. Can I have your pencil? Yes, you can. Here it is. So, about the gym, brain gym, what's that? You have got 3 minutes, read and answer. Can you write the next 3 numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. You need to just answer the questions, and speaking we need to use with other people. And write activity, you need to write it by yourself. See you on the next videos.